Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with basics. Confirm your Android version and make a full backup because System Emoji Replace is system level. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging so you can push files. On your PC, install ADB and verify the device connects with a DB devices. Download the Google Emoji Pack or the emoji-capable system font, TTF, matching your ROM density. You're starting the process now. These prerequisites let you modify the system safely and restore if needed. Next, replace the font file that provides emoji. If rooted, remount /system as read-write or use a Magisk module for a systemless swap to avoid OTA breakage. Locate the existing Noto color emoji. TTF in /system/fonts or /product/fonts, then move or backup that file so you can revert. Push the new Google emoji. TTF with a DB push or install your Magisk module. And make sure to set permissions to 644 and ownership to root. Finally, reboot and verify the new emoji across Messages, Gmail, and other apps. Make sure to clear app caches if changes don't appear. If something goes wrong, restore your backup or remove the Magisk module and reflash the original font. Also confirm the replacement font file name and internal font family match the original. Mismatches can prevent loading. One key troubleshooting tip. Check SE Linux context. If the system blocks the file, correct the context with chcon to match other system fonts, and then reboot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.